If you've imported data to create your org chart, you can replace or refresh that data. To do so, double-click on your org chart to open Edit Mode, indicated by the Org Chart Edit menu replacing your Standard toolbox on the left side of the screen. When in Edit Mode, click on the Org Chart Data button located in the top right of the Org Chart Editor pane. If your data was imported from a Google Sheet, Bamboo HR, or a custom API, you'll see the option to refresh your dataset. This will refresh the data in your org chart without changing your formatting or overrides. If your data was imported via Excel or a CSV file, you will see the option to replace data. This option will replace your current dataset. Any data that matches the data in your import will retain its formatting and overrides. Finally, if you need to export your org chart to a CSV file, just select the Org Chart Data button and then click Export as CSV. We'll show you any information you've added, edited, or removed, and give you the option to download only your changes or the entire dataset to a new CSV file.